Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in last video we saw how we can set up our Google Map and how we can show this Google Map in our application. So in this video part 2 we will see how you can show the marker in your Google Map. So let's start. So as you can see we have our Google Map, and once we have created our Google Map we have our initial camera position. Then later we have an option called markers. Inside markers, we have to provide the set of markers that we want to show on the map. For example, we have our marker and we need to give the marker ID which is required. So let's say we can give it a marker ID and we need to give one value. Let's suppose for now we will give an ID of 1, and rest we have other parameters as well, but for now we'll simply give the ID and we'll just save the app. Okay, so now as you can see we don't have any option. We will simply hot restart our application, and now we have this marker. So here as you can see we are not able to see anything. So what you can do is you have an option called icon which takes bitmap descriptor, and we need to set it to our default marker. We can also show the information such as info window. So this info window will text in a info window, and here we will have an option called title. Here we can, let's just say, hi, I am marker, and we'll simply save our app. So now as you can see we are still not able to see. So why? So because we need to provide the position for our marker. So inside marker we need to provide the position, and we will take our this latitude longitude. So now as you can see we have the marker on our app. I'll simply tap on this marker. So as you can see we can see the info as well, that is hi, I am marker. So this is our default marker. This is how you can show the marker in your map. So let's now see how you can show the custom marker as well. So as you can see we have an option called icon, and by default we have our default marker. But if we want to show some custom marker, what we can do is let's create a function for set custom marker, and inside this we should have our bitmap descriptor. First let's just have our bitmap descriptor. Okay, we'll simply get nullable bitmap descriptor equal to bitmap descriptor, and now we have our option that is from assets image. Okay, so we'll have this async await, and as you can see for asset image we need to provide an configuration and asset name that we have. For configuration we should provide our image configuration. We can provide anything, that is size if you want to change the size, but now we are setting it to by default. And for the asset name we will simply provide our asset path, which is our assets slash home.png. as I have my asset in my pubspec.yaml added, so I'll simply save my app now. And for setting it we will have our init state, and we'll simply call our custom marker here. And for the marker we'll copy this marker have this marker again, and for now we can simply change our position a little bit, and in the icon we will provide our bitmap descriptor, which is not null. If it's null, we'll simply provide our default marker. Okay, we will save our app. So now as you can see, we will hot reload our application so that our custom marker is getting set. Now our application will reload, and now here we have another marker, that is custom marker in our Flutter map. I'm tapping it on as well, and it will show the information that we are provided. So this is how you can use markers and show custom as well as default markers in your Flutter application. So hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share, subscribe for more channel, and see you in the next part.